Okay, that's one. Create a hash map
Yeah,
of strings,
yeah.
key and values. Both of them are strings. You add the values. Then you print the hash map. Okay. What else?
This one should be. Okay, that one. Yeah, I don't know how to access the other one.
It's okay. It's okay. So you have the doubt on hash map that contains arrays, right? Right?
Yes, yes, I did
Okay.
this one, and then
Let's repeat. Okay. One more time. Having an example of hash map containing a value of array list, but this time you will do it on your own. Okay. So please you create a new class. You call it array list inside hash map. Okay. Okay. Put your main method. Inside main method, I want you first to create a hash map. Okay. The key is integer, type integer. The value is of type array list of string. Brother, what are you doing? Brother,
yes,
please focus. Not hash map. Hash map.
hash map.
Hash map, it's just a random class that you created. But hash map is the one we are using from Java SDK. First, you need to import the hash map.
Oh, I didn't import it yet.
As you see, it's typed in red. Yeah, but look, once you hit enter, there is a line added on line number 1 called import java.util.hashmap, right? And we will learn about this import in details when we discuss about uh, object-oriented programming, classes, packages, and all. Okay, but for now, just know that you need to import classes that you're gonna use in your program. Okay, then hash map, as we agreed before, takes two data types. First one is for the key, second one is for the value. Now I'm telling you, give the key a data type integer and the value data type of array list of string. Not string, but array list of string.
Oh, array. Array list.
No. Again, it's a random class you created. The other one called array list. Yes, this one. Okay. So how to give a value, how to give a data type to the array list.
New hash
It's the same as the hash map. but it's taking only one data type, not two data types. So using two angle brackets,
Angle brackets.
not like this, the array list. Okay, delete this closing angle bracket. Delete it for now. Okay. Now this array list itself needs two angle brackets that will contain in between the data type of the values will be held in this array. And I want it to be of type string. So now you put two angle brackets, no.
Okay.
I'm just telling you what to do. Without space. I don't want space. I don't want space between array list and this angle bracket.
Okay.
Just array list and then two angle. Yes. Okay. Great. Correct. These two angle brackets related to the array list. Okay. And in between these two brackets, okay, you should assign the data type of the values that will be stored in the array list. Now I'm telling you to store strings in array list. So here inside this or in between these two angle brackets, you will put string. Okay, great. Then, no, you should add the closing angle bracket to the hashmap. Brother, stop sharing. I will share with you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I do, yes.
Okay. Now I'm creating a new class. I will call it hashmap exercise. Okay. Inside this class, I put my minutes. Okay. To create a hash map, like last time, okay, we use this hash map class, and then we put two angle brackets. Inside these two angle brackets, we put two data types, one for key, one for value. So here, for example, first one key should be integer. Okay, value will be of type string. Okay. Then we should give a name to this hash map. We'll call it my hash map. Then we need to initialize this my hash map. So we use a new hash map. Okay. This new hash map, two angle brackets, two normal brackets, then semicolon, like almost never change. Okay. So you don't have to worry about this part on the right side. But you should be very careful when dealing with this on the left side. Okay. So now it's hash map class, two opening and closing angle brackets. Okay. In between these angle brackets, we need two data types. The first one is for the key. The second one is for the value. Okay. And out of these two angle brackets, we give a name to our hash. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, great. So this is simple hash map. What if we want to create another hash map? I call it my map2. Okay. But the difference between my hash map and my map2 is I want my map2 values to be of type array list of string, not only string. So what I'm gonna do, I will keep this open angle brackets the same, closing angle bracket the same, integer the same, this comma the same. Because all of this related to the hash map declaration. I cannot change it. I can only change this second data type, which specifies the data type of the values inside the hash. So I just here create array list. Okay, normal array list. I put two angle brackets to this array list to specify its data type, and it can be like of type string, float, or whatever. If you want to try float, we can try float, whatever. Okay, and we give it a name, float array list. Okay, equal new arrays. Then again, I don't have to worry about the second part on the right side. Okay, so now I have hash map. Now I have arrays. Okay, hash map. For now, my map2 is of type integer for key, string for value, and I have a totally separate uh, array list called float array list. Okay, this float array list is of type float. Okay, array list of float. Okay, now the tricky part. I want to change the data type of the value inside the hash map. Okay, to be array list of float instead of string. How I'm gonna do this? We have here two data types. Data type of string, which is the data type of the value inside the hash map for now. Okay, and I want to replace it with array list of float, which is the data type of float arrays. Look at the syntax. I will just delete the string from here. I will keep the rest all the same. This opening bracket, closing bracket, the data type of the key, and then the comma. Okay. Right after the comma and inside this angle bracket again, I should put my data type for the value, which is now the new one will be array list of float. So I will copy all this array list of float. Copy, look, copy, then paste it here. So the final version of this hash map, look, it's a hash map class, opening angle bracket, data type integer for the key, comma, then array list of float, which is the data type of the values, okay? Then a closing angle bracket, like this one is the opening, this one is the closing, this one, okay? All this highlighted part is the data type for values inside hash map, okay? Now we are done with this. We give name to our hash map, then equal new hash map to initialize it. Is it clear?
Yeah, I need to practice. I got to practice that.
Okay,
The
yeah, you
syntax.
should do it on your own now. I just wanted to show you the tricky part. Now I'll stop sharing. You do the same on your computer. Share your screen and show me how you're gonna delete all this line and start from the beginning. Mm. We just mentioned that in ArrayList and in hashmap, we cannot use primitive data types. Instead, we use something called wrapping class. So just type double with capital D in the beginning. Okay, yes, you will find double. Okay, so this double class is equivalent to the double primitive data type. Okay, and name of variable should begin with lowercase, not uppercase. Okay, great. So far, so good. Hmm. Okay, now how to I made two lines just to show you as an example, to show you the difference between first one, which has simple key value data types of integer string, then second line to show you how to insert array list as a data type for the value of hashmap. So now I want you to replace this string, okay, of my hash2 to make it of the data type array list of double. Brother, I just showed you how to do it. This is not array list of double. This is only double. I want,
Only double.
yes, I want the data type to be array list of double.
Oh, array list. Okay.
We just delete string and then we put array list of double. Okay, yes, great. Yeah, exactly. Correct. Okay. So next time I want you to do it like on your own in only one step or only in one line, which is line number 8. Like when I tell you
Okay.
create a hash map that has a key of data type integer and value of type arraylist, you should make it the same as line number 8. You don't need line number 7, you don't need line number 10, you just need line number 8. Line number
Okay,
7, line
that's all
number
you need.
10 are only for explanation to make it simple. Okay. But this line number 8 is the one declaring initializing a hash map of integer value for key, array list for the array list data type for the value. Okay.
Is it common you use both at the same time? You use both of them?
Which one?
Do you use arraylist and hashmap?
Sometimes you need to do. So you should know how to do.
Mhm.
And you should get familiar with more complex examples. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Good. So now I want you to put data, okay, inside this hash map. So in this hash map, in each pair, we need integer value, and then we need array list of double.
Arraylist a double. Yeah. Um, within the hashmap. My hashmap.
Here we have double array list, right? So it's
Yeah.
an array list of double. We need to add some values to this double array list, and it's ready. Even without
Okay.
adding values, you still can use it, but it's empty. Here you don't need comma. Why you put
Oh
comma?
yeah.
Like here you need only one value.
Okay.
You just need double value to add it to double array list. Just delete this 6.6 and all will be fine. Okay, so now we added 5.5 to double arrays. If you want to add some few values to this array list, it's okay. It's up to you.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's it. So now what about my hash 2? We want to put values inside this my hash 2. How we will do? Here key is of type integer. Value is of type array list of double, not string. We need to give
Okay.
array list of double.
Okay. Oh, there's integer. I thought it was integer. I thought it was integer and string,
Like
or integer and
no,
string.
no, no. Delete this line number 7. Delete it. We don't need it.
Okay. Um, oh
Okay.
yeah, integer.
Yes. Now we need
Double. Oh yeah,
integer
double.
as key, yeah, and array list of double,
Okay.
not double. Brother, you are confused. The data type is not double for my hash 2. Look
Okay.
at my hash 2 on line number 7.
Okay.
What is the data type?
Integer and double.
No. Integer and array list of double.
Oh, okay.
So the data
Array
type
list.
is array list. Initially array list, not double. So here we should pass array list.
Okay.
What kind of array list? Array list of double, like not array list of string. No, array list of double. It's very specified.
A double array list. Okay.
Don't we have one?
Yeah, array list. Uh,
No, here, brother, we should pass a value. Okay, we pass an object. So here we have already double array list. That's why we created double array list, because we will need it, okay, to uh, store it, okay, in the hash map. So here
oh,
5, then we use double array list as the value.
okay, double array list. Okay. Double array list.
Now we are done adding the first pair inside my hash 2. Can
What
we
is
add
double array
second?
list?
Can we add second pair?
Uh, yeah, can do, yeah.
Yeah, and a second pair will be also of type integer for key, array list of double for value. Okay, good. Now I want third one, but listen, the third one, okay, I want you to create a new array list for the third pair inside my hash, my history. Create a new array list of double, give it any name, give it any values, and then you store it in the third pair inside my hash 2. Okay, good. Give it any name.
Um,
Okay, now you add third pair to my hash 2. Okay,
oh, my hash.
my hash 2. Yes,
Okay.
key and value. Key and value. This is the key. Okay, what is the value? We have value of type array list of double. Not double array list again, like we just created a new one called double 2.
Oh, the double.
I told you to use it. So this one will be double 2. Okay, you understand now?
Mhm. Yeah, kind of. Kind of. It's kind of. What is double array list exactly?
Like this double array list
Double array.
is the array list holding 5.5, 6.2, 66.8. Like
Okay, it's
now,
like an object.
now I want you to retrieve the value of my hash 2, okay, where the key is 6.
Key is six. Okay. Key is
But
six
you
point.
made a mistake. Not a mistake, but like, do you realize that use the 5 key twice and the 6 key twice.
Oh yes, twice 6 and 6, yeah.
So as if you removed the value on 16 and 17 and you replace them with the values on 20 and 21, on lines number 20 and 21. I just want
Oh
you
yeah.
to change. Yeah, I don't want you to repeat keys. Make it
Okay.
different. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to retrieve the value of my hash 2 where key equals to 9.
E equals to 9. Oh yeah. Oh, 17. Line number 17.
Hmm.
Get.
Okay. Can you now run your program to see the output? Look, 5.5, 6.2, 66.8. Where did we get these values?
6.8.
You
Oh, up
added
here.
on your own, okay, to your array list, okay? And here on line number 17, you passed this double array list, the one that holds all these values, 5.5, 6.2, 66.8. You passed it as a value for the key equals to 9. So when I told you to retrieve the value where key equals to 9 from the my hash2 hash map, okay, it retrieved what? It retrieved double array list, the values inside double array list, 5.5, 6.2, 66.8. Now please do the same where key equals to 5. Get the value inside my hash where key equals to 5.
5.4. Okay, yeah, yeah.
Look, first it printed again 5.5, 6.2, 66.8, okay, because this is the values inside double array list, okay? But look where key equals to 5, you passed the array list called double 2. Scroll up a little bit, please. Scroll up, please. Yeah, yeah, here. Yes, yes. Wait. On line number 20. Yes, 20 and 21, you added the array list double 2, okay, to my hash where key equals to 5 and where key equals to 6. But you didn't add any values to this double 2. So double 2 array list is empty. That's why we got here on the second line in the output, empty list. You understand? Can you try now to add some values to double 2 and see what will happen in the output? Just add any random values to double 2 and let's see its reflection on output. I'm not telling you to add values in my hash2. I'm telling you to add values to double two. Pay attention to names.
Double.
Double two. Where is double two? Where is double two?
There's double two right
Yes,
here.
this one. This one is array list of double called double two.
Okay.
So I want you to add values to this double two array list.
Okay. Double two equals no array list.
The same as you did in double array list. I want you now to do the same to double two.
Okay. Minus. Okay. Minus.
Add values to double two. How to add values to array list? Okay, that's it. You added the value. Run your program again. Look now, instead of getting empty list on the second line, we got 6.6. When we try to get the value inside my hash where key equals to 5, okay, we get the element inside the array list called double two. Because here on line number 20, we add double two array list to the key equals to 5. You understand?
Kind of, yeah.
I feel you still have doubts. Is it more clear? No.
Kind of. It's a little bit. It's like a lot. There's a lot to remember.
It's not
on
a
this
lot.
one.
It's not a lot to remember. I don't want you to care much about syntax. You can search about syntax, but you should understand the concept.
Yeah,
I
kind
can
of. I
store
understand what's
arrays
going on.
inside hashmap, the same as I store string inside hashmap.
Mhm.
I follow the same steps.